Hello everyone, welcome to the Power Pages Quick Tip series. I'm Ambasing along with Shweta today in the episode 4, and I'm going to show you that how to identify the Bootstrap version in the Power Pages. So let's see what we have in the box. If you remember, like in our previous video, we just talked about how to, enhance or enable the Bootstrap from 3 to 5, how to basically migrate it, and there is a complete migration journey. But think about the perspective, like from the user perspective. If you are the end user or the business makers, you don't have that much of insight about what Bootstrap version you are using and how to plan and everything around that area. So today I'm going to show you the 5 basic options, like how you can find out which Bootstrap version you are using in your web pages. The first two is basically like the command line interface and the Power Pages management app. You need a kind of the licenses, because if you need to use the Power Pages management app or the command line interfaces, you need a proper account and you need a proper license and the security roles assigned to that one. And the remaining 4 one, even if you are the users, the end users I would call, or the business users, you can simply look at, because it's a web-based approach and anybody can look at. It's not a rocket science or something. So the first 2 options, like we can look at from the command line interface. You can just download it, open this in your probably in the Visual Studio Code, and just simply browse to the respective file and just look at what version is that. I can show you. I will definitely show in the demo. The second one is the Power Pages Management Studio app. So in the Power Pages Management Studio, you go to the web file, you go and find the particular file, and then you just need to download and open, and then you can look into that one. The next one is you need to hit, basically the combination of the base URL and the bootstrap.min.css. And if you hit this on the browser, you will get the Bootstrap version in front of your eyes. Then remaining 3 options are, again, like you can go it and find it from the base sources, or you can go it and inspect it via the developer tools in the source option or via the network option. So let's, without further ado, I would like to show you now how to determine that which version of the Bootstrap is being used in your Power Pages. So let's see in the real action. Let me just quickly bring the first page here, or basically the interface here. So what I did, I just downloaded the complete code for me via the CLI. And how to do this, again, please check either the description of this video or have a look for the previous recordings where you can easily see like how to use the CLI in your Power Pages. So if you already have a Power Pages solution or your complete Power Pages site downloaded, you can simply open in the Visual Studio Code, and then you can look for the respective file. So either you can just go and simply search about the Bootstrap, and the moment your Bootstrap file is open, in the header itself in the comment section, you can see, okay, I have a Bootstrap version 3.3.6 used for the particular site. This is the first option. The second option, you can simply go to your Power Pages Management Studio. And in the Power Pages Management Studio, on the left navigation, you can find the web files. In the web files, you can simply search the Bootstrap, bootstrap.min.css. You can go and download the particular file from here in the notes. Let me just quickly bring it there. So you can download this file, and once you will open the file, you will see the complete history or basically the version in the comment section the same way. The another option is if you have these things available on your, like if you are working in prospect of the end user, like if you don't have the Power Pages Management Studio access, or if you can't connect with the CLI, you can't use this in that way, simply come to the browser, look or hit your Power Pages site. If the Power Pages open, just simply inspect it. And in the inspection, there is a 2 option I will show you. But before that, let me just quickly bring the simplest version. So the simplest version is you can just simply go and view the page source. So once you are in the view page source, you can simply see there's a file called from the Bootstrap here on the link section. It should be on the header. Very rare chances if you'll get the CSS or the JS referred at the bottom of the page. because specifically when you load the page, and the page load, it always start from the top to bottom. So we want that CSS probably would have loaded earlier than your markup, so it will directly make an impact on your markup accordingly. So if you just open this file here, and here also you can simply see which Bootstrap version your website is using. Another option I can already tell you, like if you really want a really shortcut way, you just go with the base URL, type the bootstrap.min.css, and then you can hit it, and the same file will open for you. So this is again another way to look into that one. So a lot of way to look into that. Another aspect. So if you have a pages open, let me just quickly see. Let me just quickly bring it small and then see. So I can show you. I will just close a couple of things so it won't impact much here. Here and here. There you go as well. Now I would like to show it from the developer toolbar. So in the developer toolbar, you can simply go to the source, and in the source, if file is not open, you can just simply go and open the file. Just type a bootstrap there, and in the bootstrap itself, you will find the version there. So this is another flavor how you could look into that one. There's another version for that one. You can simply go to the network, preserve the log, disable cache, and you just look for the JS in that. You just need a hard refresh for that. And then you should have the files available there. And here also you can see what Bootstrap version and something being handled there. So if you are into the particular and the respective file there, so you can see that too. So this is for the bundle, but the same way you can find the Bootstrap JS also from the complete list. So this is all the way what you can do to get and aware about what Bootstrap version you are using it. And it's quite simple, as I mentioned, like from the maker's perspective, business users perspective, or even for the end user perspective, if they would like to see which Bootstrap version you are using for your particular website, or this particular website used what Bootstrap version, then this is an easy way to look into that one. But at the other side, if you are the developer, if you have access of the Power Pages Management Studio, or if you can connect and download the whole site code to your local hard disk, and if you want to use the CLI Visual Studio Code, I told you that flavor also, like how you can look and then work accordingly. So I think this is all for this particular session or this episode. In the coming episode, we will be coming up with more ideas, like how you can basically migrate from the 3 to 5, like Bootstrap 3 to 5, what all the points you have to take care in your mind with the practical demos in that particular case. So stay tuned with us, and we will be coming up with the more and more interesting videos. I would like to again give my warm regards, and please stay tuned to this channels by subscribing and pressing the bell icon. So share these videos with your friends and the colleagues who will be having the same skill sets and who are working with this more developer, the specific things, or even with the end user perspective also related with the Power Pages or the website where they have to deal with the bootstraps or the different CSS versions. So I will be coming up again with the more interesting tips, knowledge sharing, and the lesson around the Power Pages. So also please be aware about the description section. So please always keep your eyes there, because we provide a lot of information or the updated information into the description directly. It's really hard to provide the information already on one video, then making and editing and just provide the another subsequent videos onto that one. So it's really hard for us, but it's easy to give any updated information into the description section of that one. So till that time, have a nice time and happy learning, and I hope you guys have enjoyed your time there. So thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot, everyone.
Thank you.